How to redeem Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Uber Eats coupon code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you coupon codes. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I will be opening this one, Time Magazine. Once you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. You can just scroll down and check 30% off, $10 off, $5 off, and so on. If you're interested in any of the deal, click on the option of Show More. With that, you will find the details of the coupon code. Now head towards the coupon code that you are interested in and want to redeem. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code. At the bottom right corner of the coupon, you will find the expiration date of the coupon code. Make sure you check it whether it is valid or not. Now to use it, click on Show Coupon. So here's the coupon code. Now to redeem this coupon code, click on this option of View Discount at Uber Eats. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now you can log into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, you can sign up for Uber Eats. Once logged in, you can browse through the menu, select the items that you want to make your order of, and whenever you check out, apply this coupon code and get the discount. Also, you can give a try to these offers. Well, this is how you can easily redeem Uber Eats coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.